These are the insane watches worn at Michael Rubin's white party.
I'm here for the white party. I got a huge dilemma. Obviously, I'm in white, and I got to tell you, I look spectacular. This is ridiculous, but I have no watches on. Chihuahua caramba! What about the puzzle on the right? All right? So the crash, just so you know, was made by Cartier in the 60s. It started as a round dial, but then what happened was a car crash. And it came out of the car like this. I'm not sure if the guy was dead or not, but if he was, he sacrificed for a great piece, because they took it back and they redid the caliber to fit it in this crazy piece. That's why it's called the crash. Now, this is the first crash they made out of platinum skeleton. By the way, you can't tell the time with this. But what I'm pretty certain about is no one else will have it. And that's very important for today. So here's what I'm thinking about. You tell me what you think. Crash meet puzzle. Shazam! What a great combo. I walk in with these, I think I'm okay. Does anybody have a crash? No. Do they have a puzzle? Maybe.
Mr. Wonderful Fashion, he wore not just one but two watches, just a few hundred K on the wrists. On one wrist is a yellow golden puzzle dial Rolex Day-Date, and on the other is a platinum Cartier Crash. Here's a better close-up of it. Who had your choice? What would you choose?
Mr. Wonderful here. No one needs a watch, but everybody wants one. Why? Because it marks a moment of time in your life. A graduation, a marriage, a successful moment in your career. It's like art. Many watches appreciate in value over time, and that's where the problems start. You might think your watch is covered by your home insurance policy, but in many cases, that is simply not true, especially if you're looking for replacement value if your watch is lost or stolen. That's why I created WonderCare. Want to learn more about insuring your watch? Go to wondercare.com.